Hey, so this is how you do a Regal wrap using the extra long t-shirt tuchel. It's so easy because it is extra long jersey. I'm wearing underneath a signature shaper and the mini Bobo on top of it. So it's giving me this really nice height. So basically bring around the first tail and just wrap it until you have the end, and then you tuck in the end where you can right here. There you go. This is a perfect look for if you have a corporate job or want to look business-like or formal. It just pleats like a dream. Looks really, really professional. And then here comes the last end for you. You can really just layer it beautifully. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous turban. And tuck it in right there. And done.